Hi everyone, welcome to Jai Ganesha Vlogs YouTube channel. Yesterday I bought a new cricket shoe, that is DSC Fearless one, DSC, and this is the box. And Jaffa 22. The size is 9. So this is useful for the cricket. So as I'm a basic cricket learner, so this shoe will suit me definitely, and for everyone basic thing. So I'm just unboxing it. Yes, this is the one. And one more thing, sorry guys, I have used this shoe because early morning I had one cricket match, so I was like couldn't do the unboxing proper one. So this is the one shoe. So yes, this is the and this is one, and the price is, see, the size is 9, white sea green. The price, yes, and the price is 2099. Online me you can check it for like 1800 we will get it. But I bought in it one sports shoe near Baswangudi. This costed me around 1700 rupees, and this is very useful, and for the basic players, seriously, this is damn worth it. See, look at the shoes and the sole, everything is good, and seriously it's worth guys. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಸೋಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು, ಸೋಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 10, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ 9. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಇದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 9 ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಜನರಲಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಫರಬ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗಲಿ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶೂಸ್. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Ganesha.